Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 25th day of April, 2021. We are going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for ADA, also known as Cardano. What if I told you that the downside pressure in Cardano is over for the moment and that we will be expecting to see the price go higher? Would you want to see that? Would you want somebody to tell you that right before the market actually does it? Well, you're at a great place because we're going to do that for you on today. We're going to talk about Cardano, tell you all we're expecting the price to go so that we can be in position and win. All right. So you find this very interesting. You find this content very alertish, meaning that we're giving you all a heads up as to where price is going to go. Make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to this channel. And I will recommend that you come back here continually again and again because the market is fluid and it continues to change on a day-to-day basis. So we want to make sure that you stay updated on whenever we upload our content to this particular type of platform. So let's dive right on into our last price prediction that we did in Cardano. You guys can see that we didn't change our original prediction, which was all the way back here on the 19th of April. We were still expecting the market in Cardano to dip in price, and it actually came to fruition right there on the 23rd of April. Got it. Simple. When you understand how the market really operates, you're actually able to get in position and win in the market right before anyone else. This is the biggest competitive advantage we have amongst everyone else that participates in this cryptocurrency space. We need to make sure that we stay ahead of everyone else in order for us to win. We have to predict, then we profit, and then we win. All right, so congratulations to those who still expected the market in Cardano to dip in price. It did, 10.5% right here on April the 23rd. Cool, got it. So now the question is, let's take that away. So now the question is, can the market in Cardano maintain its trading range? You guys can see we already identified for the most part that ADA Cardano is just trading in between these two lines on our chart. Can that be maintained? Are we expecting that to continue? I will tell you, yes, we are going to expect the market in Cardano to continue to trade within these two lines on this chart, right? So we already saw the market come down to this support area right here on the 23rd of April. We bounced from there. So that lets us know that the trap, which is right here, is still wanting to keep the price of Cardano at least elevated, at least above $1. Okay, so either this whole process that is going on into the market in Cardano is either him selling his ADA tokens into the market, or he's either buying more ADA so that he can uplift the price later on throughout 2021. Drop the comment in the comment section if you think which one he is trying to do. So one thing I want to talk to you all about on this video is we need to always pay attention to the volume. I don't care what anyone else tells you. The first thing you need to get your eyes accustomed to on any chart is the volume. It tells you everything that's going on into the market. It tells us precisely who came in and what actually occurred on that day, right? So look at this volume. It was exceedingly high. We haven't seen that much volume come into Cardano since the market on April the 14th. That's when we was hitting restriction around $1.50. So now, right there on the 23rd, we got that same type of volume. And look at the price action. Look at where the market in Cardano came. We came all the way down to a low of 92 cents, right? But the market was able to close at the high. That is massive. That tells us a lot. Because if the market in Cardano truly was weak, if all of this volume truly was selling in the market, we would not have seen the market in Cardano close at the high. So that tells us that the market is definitely not trying to go lower in price. All right. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you in that sense. That is probably the biggest indication that the trap has given to us the last 3 days that he wants to increase this price in Cardano. So now the only question that we need to answer is, okay, since we now think that the market is going to go higher in Cardano, where do we think it's going to go? How high do we think the price is going to be? Let's take a look at the market in Cardano in a different time frame. So this is the 2-day chart. And as you all can see, the market in Cardano currently is holding $1.10 as support. That is very important as well. We've held already $1 as support. Now the market really wants to hold $1.10. The sooner we hold that particular price level, the better. the market's going to go higher in price. Okay. Next, let's take a look at the market on the 3-day time frame. Pretty much the same thing. So nothing really to see there on the 3-day time frame. On the 5-day, you guys can see here that the spread of each of these last completed 5-day price bars is extremely wide, right? And the market did go lower in price, only just to shake out those who wanted to sell out their positions or who had stop losses on the books. That's why we tell you all, don't place stop losses on these exchanges, because whenever you place a stop loss on these exchanges, you are literally telling the trap where you're willing to take your losses at. And he'll take the price there only to do that, and then you'll see the market close at the high. So like on this day right here, the trap brought down the price in Cardano all the way down to 92 cents. So whoever had stop losses within this range got stopped out, and now the market is going to go high in price. So if you were bullish prior to April 23rd, he took you out the market, and now the price is going to go higher in price. So when you're going to use stop losses, you need to make sure that only you know about it. Nobody else needs to know your stop losses. It's like you're giving the opponent the keys to the game on how to defeat you. You always want to place those stop losses only in your mind. Don't tell no one. Don't even place it on the exchanges as to where your stop losses are going to be. You have to know your stop losses and stick to it. And once the market actually gets there, then you'll know to go ahead and get out. Don't give him the leg up. So let's do this real quick. Let me show you all the weekly time frame right here. So again, pretty much what I'm seeing into the market in Cardano is not extremely bullish. Looking at this on the weekly time frame, I'm just literally expecting the market to maintain the price in between our two channels. That's about it. So I'm not expecting the market to break $1.50 to the upside. Not right now. We have this big area of restriction that is seen right here, okay, which is around $1.30. So we can definitely see the market at Cardano come up there towards $1.30 over the next couple of days. This 2 weeks time frame literally tells me that the market is still trying to search itself out. It is still trying to figure out if it wants to go higher and lower. Now, looking at the volume, looking at the type of spread we have, definitely on a 2 weeks perspective, the market is winning out in terms of weakness. The strength is not really panning out on a longer time frame. So when we do this prediction right here in Cardano, I want you all to realize that we're not necessarily playing the strength to the upside in Cardano in the long term. All right. Right here is the first area of support, $1.10. Okay. Next area, I'm going to bring it down here towards $1.03. That's the ultimate area of support in the market in Cardano. So now obviously $1.20 all the way up here to $1.30 will be the area of TP for us. Okay. The first area that will come into the market in Cardano to TP will be around $1.20, which is around 5%. I'm going to take it all the way up there towards $1.29 to $1.30 in that sense right there. Okay. And that's it. Based off the information that the trap has given to us, we're definitely expecting the market in Cardano to go higher in price, but we're going to be conservative. We're not going to expect the market to moon up like everyone else is trying to tell you all. We're simply here to get the profit, get the bag, and walk out the store. All right. So now I want you all to drop the comment in the comment section and tell me, what do you all think the market in Cardano is going to do over the next 3 days? All right. If you're coming to use this opportunity cost of your cash, of your money in 3 days, where would you place your funds at? Where would you expect to get your profitability from? Higher or lower? And then tell me your TP price, which simply means take profit. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, you need to trade different.